Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export only certain parts of your projects or videos in the CapCut PC. So in here, I have two clips on my timeline in CapCut, but I want to only export the second clip, for example. But I don't want to delete the first one. So here's how you're going to do it. First, you can just click on the clip that you want to export and right click on it until this menu show up. And here you can just go to range in here and choose this select by clip options. So now only the second part is selected, and here you can just go to export at the top. So here on the export, you can just click on export, and after that you'll see that the video I exported only the second one. You can see the duration is 5 seconds. Let's check if I'm right. Okay, you can see 5 seconds because the whole video is 8 seconds. So for the second one it's 5 seconds. So you can do that if you want to export only a certain part of the video. When you're done, you can just click on cancel and proceed with your projects. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.